You should have recorded that. He's already recording. Are you saying it? Are you saying
Oh god, your mouth is huge right now.
What, nigga? You just said the Ash. How's that?
Something.
Fucking chair? Stay still, bitch. Is the chair talking to you? And it just goes like that. It's hitting you, it goes like that. Both sides. It's like, fuck. Ooh, text. I have a text too from fucking Eddie. Who the fuck are you, Eddie? Okay, I just want to say something. I'm just kidding. A long speech. Whoever the fuck are you? I'm gonna call your ass back, motherfucker. What are you talking about? Whoever the fuck Eddie is. Who's Eddie? I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Oh, okay. Alright. See if he answers. Okay. Dude, I'll fall asleep. I'm tired. Actually, I'm not really that tired. I'm tired. You say you're just tired. I think I just talked. Hello? Who is this? Well, this is actually, I'm just wondering who the hell this is. I don't even know. I don't know what's going on right now. Fuck my life. Is this Eddie? FML. Fuck yeah. My life. It is someone named Eddie. Where are you from?
Is he damn fine?
I don't know what to say. Ashley Fletcher? No, this is Ashley Editor. Bitch is playing you. I don't know either. I'm just like, I just have so many things on my phone. I don't even know. Cheers to the freaking weekend. Actually, I don't know. I don't know. We're all gonna get laid tonight. We want some dick. We want dick. Old Town? And gay people want ass. Old Town? Some people are really getting lucky. I'm not. Ontario. Period. You guys, where's Ontario? I don't know.
Ontario, that's far.
Is that far from like?
I
miss my baby.